In the first 5 questions of the GED, where we can't use a calculator, they're going to be questions about distance and absolute value. It's important to know that absolute value and distance both cannot be negative numbers. Distance cannot, it can be, the direction can be negative, but a distance will always be a positive number. Whether you walk forwards or walk backwards, you're going to get tired. So it's not like you unwind by walking backwards or something. So when they say distance and absolute value, that you have to think of a positive number. Now, on a question like this, if they had just asked, how far are these two points from each other? If they had just asked for us to figure out the distance, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it's 9. And that would be a depth of knowledge 1 question to be very easy and straightforward. If they ask you which expression, and they're going to give you 4 expressions because it's a multiple choice test, and say which 4 of these expressions would state would represent the distance between here and here. First of all, we're going to need the absolute value goalposts, and that's anything, any math that goes on in here, whatever the response is. If it ends up being -7, let's see, the absolute value of -7 is 7. Absolute value just means how far is something from the number 0. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to break down our understanding of what those goalposts mean. They literally are these sticks right there. So it's as if you're breaking off that stick and putting it here, and you're breaking off that stick and putting it here, and then labeling them. This is the -6 stick, and this is the 3 stick. Now the question is it plus or is it minus? Don't worry about the math of the thing, but if this is about distance and you had to choose between plus or minus, which one looks like a distance arrow? And you're right, it's subtract. So break off the goalposts here, break off the goalpost here, label them, and then think of that subtract as the hint. And it's another one in the toolbox.